These are ridiculously expensive shoes.
These are ridiculously expensive shoes.
But you know, Wilfred, they really make the outfit. Do you know what I'm saying? And
But they're ridiculously expensive. I mean, they're $3,000 each.
no.
That's $6,000.
It's a pittance. It's a pittance. Now, when you are going to meet the woman of your dreams, the first thing she's going to do is look at your feet.
And she's going to say those are ridiculously expensive shoes. You don't have any sense of money.
Absolutely not.
She's going to be...
Wilfred, you misunderstand the whole meaning of mating.
Won't you just love me for me?
Oh, dear Wilfred. Oh, you're so behind the times. Good gracious. You need the shoes. You need the top hat. You need the waistcoat. Yes, precisely. And perhaps then she'll forget about your lack of inner meaning.